This is a message from Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Verily, your time remains half again. One full moon has begun to pass, and two full moons will soon approach. Verily, I, Allah, will close the charity gate for the right group if you do not take admonition and return to me, Allah, and believe in me, Allah, and believe in the final day I promised will stand. You are guided in Islamic faith. Observe your turmoil. You neglect my message, Rahman Shuhada, and you presume you will live forever. Observe my scattered message. Do you not fear my call? You hesitate and you disregard. You are like the blind, mute, and deaf, and you think I fabricate this. You accept no goodness I bestow. Only 313 people will believe. I, Allah, testify. And now their number has almost reached what I have written in my preserved tablet, Lawh Mahfuz, only waiting a little longer. When a difficult matter arises, I declare it with my power. Verily, you will embark on a hard journey, distant and in scarcity. And if you do not take my path, verily, you will be separated from the right group. Those who believe in me and testify at the boundary of time are not scholars nor those of repute, but those who believe in me, Allah, testify and share their sustenance with their Muslim brothers in Palestine. Their number now is 297 people. Indeed, they are those who believe in me and heed my call, and they are in various lands of the world. I am the one who gathers them, though they do not know each other, nor who among them is in my count. Verily, I am Allah who decrees all matters at the boundary of time, not the decree of any human who claims to determine his own status. All my will is within my grasp, even my command to my witness, though it be to dig a well, as I showed my witness in her dream and commanded her to do by my order, and they did it. And I named that well after a tree in my paradise, and I showed it to my witness, and I commanded her to perform ritual purification there. Verily, she could not fathom how my kun fayakun prevails over her, and that is what I, Allah, showed that well within with the water of Tuba, and my witness purified herself there. I, Allah, named that well Tuba, for I, Allah, the All-Powerful, decree all things. Do you know this well of Tuba? In my paradise there is the tree of Tuba, beneath which flows the water of Tuba. And I showed Ruqayya the form of that tree. Verily, I have the power to manifest it by my will. She asked me, O Allah, what tree is that? Did you not command me to find a well for my purification bath? I caused it to be as if she were beneath that tree of Tuba, and I answered her, that is the tree of Tuba, and I planted it with my own hand. Can jinn or devils exert great power over my witness? What you accuse is the deception of Iblis. Know that the water of Tuba in my paradise will spare you from the thirst on the day of resurrection, and when you are in my highest paradise. Later my servants within my mercy will drink the water of Tuba, that is my mercy for them. After Muhammad and the Ummah of Muhammad, Isa ibn Maryam will also drink it, for Isa ibn Maryam is of the earlier community and will become of the Ummah of Muhammad after his coming to you on earth. Verily, I am Allah who decrees all things, and I named the well I commanded Ruqayya to cause to be the well of Tuba. Verily, my decree is my power, none of you mock it, except he becomes a disbelieving servant, walking the path of Ad-Dajjal. Observe how Adam merely ate the fruit of Khuldi, only ate the fruit of Khuldi, and I sent him down to earth, and I caused an envious leading angel to become Iblis. Iblis, who will later ride upon my chosen servant who disbelieves and is filled with envy toward my witness. Yet I, Allah, come to testify at the boundary of time to my witness, and my witness writes his name by my command. Verily, you cannot be entrusted, and you walk the path of arrogance and pride. I replace those I chose with one you did not expect. He gives charity to your brothers in Palestine and is a believer in me. I, Allah, transformed him in one night. He did not know who he was, though I had said to him, now you know who you are, yet he did not know. Observe the disbelieving servants I erased from my witness when he was my witness. Verily, you only carry out my command. Whoever is severed from my goodness, let it suffice for you to be conscious of me and be a believer. The servant whose name I bound and who rejects my decree, let it suffice for you to be conscious of me. One of you was left behind. Verily, for you be conscious of me, because he violated my decree after I bestowed grace upon him. He walked the path of wishful thinking. My decree is released. Let it suffice for you to believe in me and believe in the final day. I replace him with one better. That is the parable for you. Let it suffice for you to be conscious of me. I asked, what is the meaning, O Allah? Who is left behind, O Allah? Allah answered me through the inspiration of the inner heart. One whose name I bound in my decree, yet he released his will from me, while I, Allah, the all-decreeing, they broke the covenant. Verily, you will not know if you are within my will on a day when I cause a great matter to occur in the blink of an eye. If you are left behind, let it suffice for you to be conscious of me, that you may be safe and not on the path of Ad-Dajjal. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون آمين. يا الله يا رب يا سميع يا بصير. الحمد لله.